Hello, welcome to the final presentation for the course Integration of Product Design, Sustainable Production and Material Selection. Today we are going through the DFMA analysis of this CLAS OHLSON Blender to Go product. Let's share the poster. Arho, could you tell about this product we chose to analyze in this project, and why did we specially select this product?
Thank you for asking, Marianne. First, a little bit about the product in general. So, to-go blender is a bifunctional compact size blender that you use to turn all sorts of food stuff into delicious smoothies. Additionally, the same recipient can be used as a bottle that the user can take with them and enjoy their drink any place, anytime. Why we chose this product especially is that it offers few key benefits. First, there is a possibility to utilize both engineering and industrial design aspects. Also, the product is complex enough, it has enough components that there is a possibility to find some meaningful improvements in terms of design for manufacturing and assembly. Also, as we wanted to have kind of a hands-on approach to this project, and we wanted to purchase this blender, each one of us, the product was quite affordable, which made it possible for us to do so.
Thank you, Arho. Now, Kari, could you tell how did we define critical components for this analysis in this product?
Yes, the critical components were defined based on the functionality, performance, and the safety features of the product. Without the critical components, the blender could not operate as designed. The critical components are, for example, the plate cup, mainframe, and the standard motor with the components. In the original product, 28 of the total 50 components were recognized as the critical for the functionality, performance, and the safety of the blender.
Thank you, Kari. Hi, could you now tell what improvements did we suggest to this original product and why?
Yeah, separate components of side panels and information color were replaced with Mark 1 by using 2K injection molding process. This also eliminated the need for painting process that was originally used for the separate side panels and the information color. Tempo printing was also eliminated as the 2K molding process was used to generate needed operational display information for the blender user. In the cutter head, two separate holding components were replaced with a single component, and at the same time, the number of screws used for fixing were reduced by two screws. Reducing the number of components reduced the assembly time, provided cost savings in tooling and logistics costs, and reduced the number of required assembly directions.
Thank you, Hai. Now, Samuli, what numbers have we used to justify suggested improvements to the original product and why?
There were a lot of numbers we went through in total assembly time, painting process, cost and time, sample printing process, tooling costs, and reduction of the total number of components. In the total assembly time, reducing assembly time will reduce assembly labor costs, improves the productivity as more products are being produced at the same time. Painting process. Cost and time were eliminated by removing the painting process. At the same time, the environmental impacts of the painting process were eliminated. Tampo printing process costs and time were eliminated by removing the tampo printing process. At the same time, environmental impacts of the tampo printing process were eliminated. Tooling costs were reduced by eliminating the separate side panels and the information collar. Tooling costs were increased by using 2K injection molding process. However, the savings in assembly time, painting and tampo printing process elimination, it reduced the total number of molds needed to overcome the 2K cost increase. And the reduction of the total number of components reduced assembly time, eliminated some components manufacturing costs and logistics costs, and simplified the overall production planning process. And to add, all of these numbers are found in the forms and in the report.
Thank you, Samuli. Daniel, if we had all the time in the world, how would we continue this project if we had the time?
Yes, thank you, Marianne, for the question. This is quite an important question as we had limited time for this project and not all aspects could be looked into such detail. Thinking about sustainability and lowering the impact to the environment, it is difficult to make an accurate estimate of the logistics and storage benefits that could come from lowering the number of components and manufacturing processes. Therefore, this aspect of the project would need more research. Additionally, physical prototypes would need to be done in order to verify that the modifications made during the DFMA analysis would fit the expectations and needs of the manufacturing and assembly. On the other hand, as we are a group of IDE students and taking into consideration the usability aspect of the blender, some research related with customer satisfaction would be done as part of the monitoring and testing phase of the project.
Thank you, Daniel. This was our presentation. Thank you for your attention.